Hi everyone, on this video, I will show you how to enable writing tools, Apple Intelligence, and get Image Playground on unsupported device. I managed to activate the writing tools from Apple Intelligence and discovered the genmoji Playground image feature, which is exclusive to the latest iPhone 15 and 16. However, I somehow managed to get this feature on my iPhone 14 Pro, which shouldn't have it. So, I'm going to share my knowledge with you so that you can also enjoy this feature on any iPhone running iOS 18. Follow this tutorial to get it. Please check this out. First of all, you must update your device to iOS 18.2. You can get it from Developer Beta and sign your Apple ID to Developer Beta to get this update. I will insert link how to get Beta iOS on your device on description. If your device is already on iOS 18.2, then we will continue with the tutorial. Before that, make sure your Find My iPhone feature is off. You can turn it off in the iCloud settings on your iPhone. After that, add this shortcut to your iPhone. You can find the MobileGestalt shortcut link in the description. After that, run the MobileGestalt shortcut, then save the MobileGestalt file in your iPhone's Files app. Open the Files app, then find the MobileGestalt file that you saved earlier. Then send it to your computer. You can send it via AirDrop, email, chat, Discord, or transfer any file to a computer. After that, download Open Nugget app. You can download Nugget app new version to make it work on your device. I will insert the link to the Nugget app on description, and it is available for Windows and Mac user. Then plug your device to computer with USB cable. Make sure your device is connected with Nugget app. Then go to Edgeability section and enable Apple Intelligence for unsupported device. Then enable Edgeability file and experimental toggle, and let the language code is empty. Then select the Spoof model that's suitable with your device. For example, if you are using iPhone Pro model, please spoof the models to Pro as well. After that, go to Apply section. Then select MobileGestalt file that you sent earlier from iPhone to computer. Select that, and the last click Apply Changes. Your device will reboot automatically. Please wait until your iPhone is turned on. Once it's on, you'll see the hello screen. Just enter your passcode and then connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once that's done, you'll be all set. Open your settings and see if you can spot any issues with Face ID. We'll take care of it later once the Apple Intelligence and writing tools are successfully downloaded onto your device. It should take a few minutes, but it depends on your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi because Apple Intelligence can't download it with cellular data. Just Wi-Fi connection. To access the writing tools, AI, and image playground genmoji, simply turn on the Apple Intelligence feature. You can also download the playground image directly from the App Store. By default, it should be installed automatically when you activate Apple Intelligence on iOS 18.2. Once you've downloaded the Playground app, open it and click Join to get access. Just wait for the notification when you're all set. This Playground image is still in beta, so Apple will roll out this feature in stages. After that, go to Apple Intelligence settings to get writing tools to work with Apple Intelligence with the help of ChatGPT. Scroll down, then click on the GPT chat section. Please click Sign In to activate the GPT chat feature with Apple Intelligence in Writing Tools. After that, you can try this Writing Tools feature. Here, I will try to use the Writing Tools feature in Notes on my iPhone. Select the text you want to edit. Then click Writing Tools. Then click Compose to use it with GPT Chat. Then enter the command you want to create and click Send. Then the Writing Tools with GPT Chat will work according to the command you requested. Please note, you must finish downloading all Apple Intelligence files and make sure Apple Intelligence is working on your iPhone. If not, then this writing tool will not work, and you will get an error when using the writing tool. After Apple Intelligence, Writing Tools and Image Playground have been installed, then let's repair the Face ID on your device. Turn off Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. After that, go back to the Nugget app. Then go back to the Edgeability section in Nugget. Then match the settings, as in this video, and change Spoof Model to None. After that, use the MobileGestalt file that you use first. Usually, I use the old MobileGestalt to fix this Face ID, so I didn't use the new MobileGestalt to fix this Face ID. After that, go to Apply section and click Apply Changes. Your device will reboot again. Wait for the Hello screen and connect to Wi-Fi to continue. This process is the same as at the beginning when installing Apple Intelligence. After that, try Face ID again, and Face ID was successfully retrieved and working. If your Face ID doesn't work when spoofing the model to None in the Nugget, then try restarting your iPhone, then Face ID will work again. For a Nugget tutorial on Windows, you can follow this video to use the Nugget app on Windows. Please click the video link in the description if you use Windows to run Nugget. And for other tutorials about Apple Intelligence, you can see my video. I have made several Apple Intelligence tricks on unsupported devices, so don't forget to watch it too. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you need help, leave your comment below, so I will help you to get Apple Intelligence on unsupported device.